I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
In your nightmares, you're naked in bed with a woman who looks just like your who? Sheldon.
Father. I don't want to be in bed with my father, Steve. I'm sorry.
That's a bad dream, that dog. Your woman look like your daddy.
Hello, Damien. Titus.
Pennyworth tells me you're romantically involved with a criminal now?
Ex-criminal. And it's only a date.
There are no ex-criminals, Father. Only ones who aren't breaking the law at the moment.
She's not like that anymore. Damien,
Look, I understand. This never-ending mission of ours is a lonely endeavor. If this trollop provides some carnal release, so be it.
Trollop. Your slang skills need work.
But I needn't bring up your past poor choices in women, including but not limited to my mother.
Damien, I'm not...
Not that I'm ungrateful here, mind you. However, I must insist that you use protection. And another thing, cover your drink.
Goodbye, Damien.
Hi, welcome to Denny's. I don't work here.
I have several bees in the place you would least expect them.
Could a horse love a man? Should a horse love a man?
Attention customers, today's special is a Krabby Patty served in a greasy sauce and grilled to perfection. And don't forget to ask us to the
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! You motherfucker!
As you approach the gates, the guard says, "Stop."
Good sir, we desire entry into the palace.
Well, if that's gonna happen, you're gonna have to make it worth my while.
Oh, I think it's already worth your while.
Oh, it's gonna be like that, is it?
It was like that the moment I laid eyes on you, sir.
Pouring it on a little thick there, friend. I'm afraid thick is all I have, sir. And what exactly do they call you? Long Man Johnson. And are they right? You bet your sweet stat block they are. Roll me a persuasion check with advantage. Shoo, are you filming this? No. Rebit?
You'll fucking die, so we're gonna dance with your corpse. Yeah, we're dancing with your corpse. Yeah, we're dancing.
Walking through an empty underworld of demonstration.
Puppet, I love you.
Gonna have to ask you to not.
Puppet, please return my feelings.
Foxy, I'm about to get really emotional. Freddy, I have something to tell you.
Oh, yeah?
I'm lactose intolerant.
Oh!
Wait,
I'm
what?
70% milk products.
What?
Puppet.